The book of Isaiah chapter 24.
Jesaja 24.
He says the following.
See ütleb.
From verse 1 he says, see the Lord is going to lay waste the earth.
Et Jumal on asetamas,
to destroy the earth.
Jumal on ära hävitamas maakera.
And devastate it.
Ja seda üle koormama.
He will ruin his face.
Et ta hävitab selle näo, tema näo.
And he will scatter the inhabitants.
Ja hävitab kõik selle elanikud selle maa peal.
He is saying,
ta ütleb,
it is like, let's say you have a cupboard or something like this.
Ütleme, et sul on siukene.
And you know that there are people inside it.
Ja te siin kaardin taga arvate, see on inimesed.
And you take it and you throw it upside down.
Ja seal viskad seda niimoodi maha.
And the people come out like cockroaches, like
ja inimesed tulevad siit karbist välja nagu lutikad. Ja siis te teed niimoodi, lööd nad nagu jalaga puruks need lutikad selle lava.
That is serious judgment.
See on tõsine kohtumõistmine Jumala.
Unless you know the type of judgment coming, you may not understand why the Lord wants to rescue you.
Et kui sa saad aru, mis tüüpi see kohtumõistmine tuleb, siis sa saad aru.
Verse 2 says the following. It will be the same for priests as for people.
Et hukkamõistmine sama pastoritele kui ka inimestele.
For master as for servant.
Ja teeritele ja ülemustele.
For mistress and as for servant.
Ja naise meesteenritele.
For seller as for buyer.
Ostjatele, müüjatele.
For borrower as for lender.
Laenajatele ja need, kes laenavad.
For debtor as for creditor.
Ja võlaandjale, võlavõtjale.
He's saying that the judgment of God that is coming to the earth
see tähendab,
has no consideration of social ranking or status.
Et see kohtumõistmine, mis tuleb maa peale, see ei vaata
everybody will be judged with the same wrath.
Et absoluutselt ükspuha, mis su staatus on sama.